Ni tim mar uso fuoni mag del koting'o nyarogno manche nomieno od thieth ma Medihill omieno ute mag thieth mamoko e pachoka koloso e kinde mane gichope komiti mar od bura marango weche mag thieth. Jaod bura ma Nandi Hills Bernard Kitur oyango ni oseyudo lipode mathoth ma jotuo ma bende nowito fuoni maggi e ute mag thieth mamoko. Owinjane kaka twagno dhi nyime.
Do you have the information of others who reached you, but because of the time you don't have, you can actually give us the names and the contacts, then we can follow up.
That there was an international racket of illegal organ harvesting. Perhaps the reason why it came up for. Thank you.
So they noted this and they came to Kenya. The other countries that noted this and concerned, they came to Kenya.
Honorable Chair, it is their diplomatic missions here and their team in Nairobi that raised that it concerns their citizens who have been flocking this country to come and be given, to be donated for their organs. And I think when they did their bit of investigation, they noticed that it is indeed a racket. It's a syndicate, as I've been able to explain.
Which countries? Again, it's important for us.
Evidence to that effect.
That's why I've said go to an extra free.